That is nice. Emma, there's a shot in your pocket. Over here. That's a shot. You want to give Mommy a shot on the foot? You want to listen to my heart? Here, listen to my heart. Get right here on my heart. Gotta get close. That's Mommy's heart beating. Mommy's sick. She does not know what to think of this. Is that a heart? Yes, let's listen to your heart. That's Emma's heart.
She's choked.
She getting choked. You have shots in your pocket? That's what you look in your ear. You want me to look in Mommy's ear? You can look in Mommy's ear. Look at Mommy's ear? Yeah. What else is in there? That's what you hit Mommy's knee with. Can you hit Mommy's knee with it? Oh, not that hard. Good girl. That's cool. Do you like your gift? Ooh, very nice in your doctor coat. What else is in there? You have a mask. You want to wear a mask? Look at that out there. You want to wear that? And here's a thermometer. You put it on my head. Push it on my head. Okay, what does it say I am? Look at it and see. Is Mommy hot? Does it say Mommy's hot? Hey, can you tell Papa and Mammy thank you? Say thank you. Emma, can you say thank you to them? Help. Hold on one